you doing? You can't go over there. Yeah, I did that so you can't go there. See, I don't want you to go over there. So go where it's safe. No. Some big boy. Some big boy. Oh, no bunnies on the coach. We've learned our lesson. He knows where his house is. He's gone this his 6th or 7th time now. Some big boy. He's some big boy. Good boy. He's eating good. He's drinking his water. He's some good boy. You get some exercise. You run around. You like that little house? Coming back up? Hi there. He seems to really like this corner. Which I keep telling him, no. You can't go in there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, uh-oh. Nope. No, no. No, no. No, no. Uh-oh. Be nice. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Good boy, Hunty. Good boy. Good boy. Oh. Oh, cat meets bunny. He's a good boy, too, though. Look at this. Sweetie comes over and lays down in front of him.